all, you need to go to wardrobe. If you want to do a head mask, okay, today, okay, you go there, and then you go to clothing. You go to head to put on panda head. First, it's the most important part. You go, okay, and then I will. What the fuck? Okay. Then you go back again to put on something else that you want to merge. The head that you want to merge, you just put it on. Let me see, I want to merge. Yeah, I need to merge this one. Okay, so press X. Now go back again and highlight it on this one. You don't need to press X, nothing. You just leave it there. See, you just leave it there. And now you need to press R1. Go to last use. See, at this one, a lot of people are confused. So I will show you how to do it. Okay, now. Okay, fuck. How the fuck I do this one? Okay, right here, you press X and then down and then O. Quick. Okay, fuck, no one holding my camera. So I need to hold myself. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, now press. Fuck. Okay, you press X down O. And then that's it. See how easy it is. And now, at this moment, after you merge, you need to go out. So if you don't go out, you fucked up. Okay, now you go out. To exit, yeah. X to exit. And now here you go, done. And you go back, put on another, something else. Okay. See, stay there.